In this video, I'll be talking about the another part of pre-calculus, which is limit. This limit is very much important when you are dealing with calculus. There are various methods that we use in solving limit, and there are various methods or various laws that you need to know under limit. As you can see on my screen now, there are laws that we normally use. Please do well to pause the video and write these laws down. I'm still going to show them after the end of this video. Now, as I said earlier, that there is different kind of method that we use to solve limit. One, we can use method by factorization. We can use method by substitution. We can use L'Hopital's rule, and so on and so forth. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve these three examples now. Then I'll be telling you the method I'm using. Now, okay, if you check this number one very well, you have limit x approach to 8 minus 3x plus 12x squared. Now, if you try to use L'Hopital's rule here, you may not get the answer. Why? Because whenever one particular method can work, let's say when you input these two, you get definite answer. If you try to use the L'Hopital's rule, you may not get the definite answer. But when you input your answer and you don't have definite answer, maybe undefined, then you can use what? L'Hopital's rule. Now, let's input our 2 here. This is, I'm going to use limit by direct substitution here. Direct substitution. So I have 8 minus 3 in bracket of 2 plus 12 in bracket of 2 raised power 2. So 8 minus 6 plus 12 in bracket of 4. 8 minus 6 plus 48. Then 8 minus 6 will give us 2. 2 plus 48 will give us what? 50. That is the answer to the first one. Now you can pause the video to work out the second one. Let's see, you're going to get the answer. So let's solve number 2 now. Limit t approach minus 3 6 plus 4t over t squared plus 1. Now let's try to input our minus 3 here. Let's use by direct substitution. We have 6 plus 4 in bracket of minus 3 over minus 3 is about 2 plus 1. So 6 plus minus 12 over 9 plus 1. So you are having minus 6 over 10. This one will give us minus 3 over what? Over 2. Sorry, over 5. Sorry. Over 5. Because 2 here 3, 2 here 5. I hope you understand this. Now let's try the third one. Let's try the third one. You know, you have PD here. Limit h approach 0. Now you notice that if you put 0 direct substitution in this thing, you have 6 plus 0 raised to power 2 minus 36 over 0. Now you have 36 minus 36 over 0. That will be 0 over 0. This thing is totally wrong. Why? Because 0 over 0 is what? Indeterminate in mathematics. So we are not going to use limit by direct substitution here. Now, what if we simplify the above, like when you simplify it, and let's see if you're going to get something. Or let's use how will I put it? Let's use limit by factorization. Let's factorize this thing. Okay, now notice that this can be written as limit h approach 0 6 plus h is power 2 minus 36 over h. I can write this as 6 plus h square minus 6 square over h. Then with that I have 6 plus h minus 6 and 6 plus h plus 6. Then I have what? Over h. And this will cancel this. I'm left with what? H. 6 plus h plus 6 over h. This and this will cancel, then I'm left with 12 plus h. What is my h? 0. So I have what? 12 plus 0, and I have what? 12 here. So 12 can be my what? Final answer, which is very correct on that. Now let's assume you want to use L'Hopital's rule. Now the reason why L'Hopital's rule can work here is because when you input your 0, you have what? You have one divine factor. Now what you have to do is differentiate this, differentiate the numerator, and differentiate the denominator. Now let's see what we can do here. 6 plus h minus 36 over h dx dx. Now let's differentiate. This one will give us 2 in bracket of 6 plus h minus 0 over what? Over 1. If you have not watched the video on differentiation, please go and watch it. It's on my YouTube channel already. So we input our 0. Don't forget we have limit of 0. When h tends to 0, that's 2 in bracket of 6 over 0 minus 0 over 1. So you have what? 12 over 1, which is the of 12. So you can see that it's arrive at 12. Now I'm sorry for being very fast here. I don't want to pass the limit of this video. Thank you. God bless you. Please subscribe. That one is very important. Subscribe and like this video. Comment, and also please share and refer us to your friends. Thank you. God bless you.